see. Almost got me there. Oh no! It's very icy. See the ice here. But the snow is a bit hard, so I can maybe jump here. Try to get up to speed. Yep, but the snow is too deep. Almost hit the wall. But the car is taking the jumps very nice. But I can't not release the throttle. If I release the throttle, the front tips downward. I have to keep the throttle in. There I dropped the throttle, and as you could see, the front tipped forward. I guess that's of course the car and the engine of this jump. It's maybe a bit too. I'm not sure what it's called. It's ice on this ground, so it's very hard to get the steering right. If you use too much throttle, it will just turn around very fast. Delivered with the car. Oh, a little too much throttle in here. I really have to practice my jump skills. I'm not there to take any backflip or something now. Woo! Well, sort of backflip. I think I hit the ramp with just one set of wheels. Let's see now. A little bit more throttle. What? Oh yes. That was a bit of a jump. Nice one. That was a nice one. It was not full speed. Yes. Yes, it's tipped a bit forward. When it's flying. So you have to give a bit throttle or keep the throttle. I cannot release the throttle. Then it's tipped forward in the air. It's a really funny car to drive, I must say. That was a big one. And what I really like about this Arrma car, and I guess all the Arrma electric car, it's so well built, and the modular system, you can just one screw and you can get out the motor and the pinion and the slipper gear and everything almost, and it's very fast to access all parts, and it's okay size. You can get the car in your bag. Let's see here. Today I'm have this bag with me, and as you can see, it's not this crazy big 1/5 or 1/7 scale. It's 1/10 scale, I say, and it's fit in an ordinary bag, so you can carry it easy. Also, these ramps you can just place on top of each other and carry under one arm. So I get everything with me. Not hard to bring along. If you have a 1/5 or 1/7 scale car, I guess you have a lot more to carry. But of course, big cars are also fun, but a bit more expensive, and parts are a bit more expensive. Alright, this camera is low on battery, so I'll just show you some close-up here before I end this video. I'm home now, and when you drive in the snow you get a lot of snow and ice in the car, so it's nice to have some brushes you can use to remove the snow. And when you come home, I first try to remove most of the snow, and then I use this heat blower. So try to clean up the car as good as you can and use the heat blower to dry everything. Yep, that's all.